Are you still interacting with your customers manually? Then you probably don't know about this amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Chatflow. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can automate your entire business with WhatsApp AI. So now let me show you what I'm talking about. So for that, let's move on towards my WhatsApp with me. So right here I'm acting as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help, and we will see whether I get responses of my random questions or not related to the business which I'm running. So here I'm going to send a message, that is, hey, I need help, and this message is going to initiate my AI assistant. Yes, you heard it right. Here I have created an AI assistant which is going to respond to every query of mine, and here I'm getting this welcome message. And now here I'm going to enter a random question, and we will check whether we get the response of that question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, what services do you offer? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question, which says Sun Volt Energy Solutions offer end-to-end solar energy services for residential, commercial, industrial and agriculture customers. So here I have created this WhatsApp AI assistant for my solar installation business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running, whether it's any service-based business, any online business, coaches, agency, educational institution and many more. And now I'm going to enter one more question to check its proper working. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, what maintenance is required? And now you might be thinking how I'm getting the answer according to my business. So here I'm getting all these answers because I have provided knowledge base to my AI assistant. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question too. So now let me take it towards the brain of this AI assistant. So right here, you can see this is the knowledge base, a document containing the details of my business, where I have provided all my business details, and this basically acts as a brain for my AI assistant. And right here, you can see that I have started this knowledge base with a business overview, which will let my AI understand what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right after, I have provided all the services provided by my business, and here you can check out that I have provided all the details in the key points so that my AI doesn't get confused. So my AI assistant is fetching the data from this knowledge base and resolving the queries of my customer. And this is the simple method my AI assistant is using for answering the queries of my customer. So now you can also do it and automate your entire business conversation with your customers or the clients by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you how to create this amazing AI assistant. So right here, I'm on the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can get by typing the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this AI assistant and want to automate your business conversation too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. Now here we are on this AI instruction tab, where we are going to select our instruction type as AI agent, but you can select another instruction type as well. And now we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now afterwards we are in this AI configuration section, where we have to set the temperature. So here temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most friendly temperature. And right after, your OpenAI will be selected as the AI to use, and from here you can select its model. And now here we have to provide the API key. And for getting this API key, you can visit this OpenAI API's key page. And here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button. And right here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. And right here I already have my API key, so I'm going to just connect it. And as I have clicked over this connect button, it is saved successfully. Now here on the AI assistant settings section, you can modify some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles and entering the message over here. And right after, I'm getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enter this message that is stop. So here I'm going to make this word as my keyword. So here I have typed it and pressed the enter key. And here our stop keyword is ready. But I'm going to keep it as disable only, as this was just for the demo. And now we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and its valid range is from 1 to 10. And here I'm going to keep it as disable only. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Now let's move on towards the next tab, that is knowledge source, where we are going to provide the knowledge base to our AI assistant. So here we can upload our knowledge base either in .txt or .pdf file format. So here I'm going to just select it, and right here we are on my media library, where if you want to add a new knowledge base, then you can just click over this add new file button. But right now I already have my knowledge base, that is knowledge base for solar installation business, which I'm going to insert. And now let's wait it to get uploaded. And here it is uploaded successfully, and we are getting the name and the vector ID. Now let's move on towards our assistant interface, and right here we are getting this option for entering the header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter my header display heading name as Sun Volt Energy, and as I have entered it, you might have observed one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same heading name which I have just entered. And right after we are getting this option for subheading name, and here we are already getting this subheading name. So you can provide the heading name and subheading name according to you, and here you can see it is appearing over the preview of your AI assistant. And now we are getting this option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. And now we are getting this field for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled. Now let me disable it and see the changes, and here you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I am going to keep it as enable only. Now for this field, that is footer text, you can enter it, and you can even provide the footer link as well. And at last we are getting this option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant in this styling tab. So here you can select your preferred theme mode, the preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And not only this, you can provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture too. So this was the simple process of creating an AI assistant, and you have seen that we don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. Now don't forget to enable it by activating this toggle, and let's save it by simply selecting the Save AI Assistant. and right here it is saved successfully. Now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to click over this embed button, and here we are getting this script code which you can paste over your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So now you have seen how easy this is to embed this particular AI assistant to your website, and this is going to respond to all the queries of your customer within the website. So now here we are done with the creation of our AI assistant. Now let me show you one more thing, that is enabling AI assistant for your all contact, a particular contact list or a particular chat. So for enabling it for your all contacts, you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of inbox settings which you have to select. And right here we just have to scroll down, and here we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies which you have to keep enabled, and from this field you can select your contact list or your all contact for which you want to enable this AI assistant. And from this field of the AI assistant, you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. Now let's see how to enable it for the particular chat. So right here I'm going to move towards my inbox. Now let's say I'm going to enable it for this particular chat. So here I'm on this chat where we are getting this option for choose AI assistant which you have to enable, and from here I'm going to select the AI assistant which I have just created, named as automate your entire business using WhatsApp AI. Now let's save it, and right here you can see that my AI assistant has been enabled successfully. Means now if this user will message me, the response will be automatically provided by my AI assistant, and now I don't have to manually interact with my any customer, and it can handle 100 of your customers at a time. So now you can also automate your business conversation by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.